Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue with Safari not being connected to the internet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to make sure you have an active internet connection. So I'd recommend trying other web browsers and seeing if you're able to get on successfully with them. Otherwise, you may want to restart your router. So just unplug it from the wall and plug it back in about 30 seconds later. And then I also would suggest restarting your computer. So go ahead and just restart your device at this moment and just give us a moment to restart. And then hopefully you should be good to go at this point, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.